Hey, how's it going, family? This is John Cleveland again, realtor in the Tampa Bay area, and I love designing lifestyles through buying and selling real estate. So if you know of anybody in the Tampa Bay area who would need my services or would benefit from my services, remember to reach out. John Cleveland Realtor, that's on Instagram, Facebook, and also on YouTube. So I'll be sharing a video hopefully almost every other day. I've picked up a lot of business thanks to you guys. So I want to thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and also commenting. So remember, after this video or during this video, comment, like, hit that bell button, and also share it. Tag somebody in on these videos that I try to give out. Try to give something inspirational. I'm not your traditional real estate agent. I try to give a motivational or a quote here and there just to help you out real quick to get you on your way. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. For today, we're going to be talking about never doing anything out of habit. Never doing anything out of habit. What does that mean? Hey, you usually get up in the morning, put one foot on the floor, and then do a hop. I don't know what you do out of routine and habit, but never do anything always out of habit. And I'll tell you why. It says a worker, here's an example. A worker is asked, why did you do this way? Why did you do it this way? The answer, because that's the way we've always done things. The answer frustrates a lot of bosses if you're working for somebody. It frustrates clients if you're a business person like myself. If somebody asks you, why did you do things this way? And you say, well, that's how it's always been done. People look at you like you're not an innovator. You're not an out-the-box thinker. You're just doing the same old everyday routine, which routines are good. You want to have some type of linear movement in your life where you're actually doing something consistently. But at the same time, you don't want to get caught doing the same thing over and over again, solving a problem that's continued to be a problem with the same solution. That's why it's still a problem. You might want to think outside of the box, go outside of your comfort zone, do something different, learn a little something different. You never know. When you do that, things might happen for the better. That solution to that problem might be out of date. And if you think out of the box, then you will find a different solution that'll pretty much put the nail in the coffin, guys. Hey, you never know. Try it out. So to continue on, it says the worker has stopped thinking and is mindlessly operating out of habit. So I hate to use the worker because if you know me, I'm not advocating to be a worker all your life, but I understand. I've been there. I've been in corporate America for 10 years. But not to digress, it says mindlessly operating out of habit. So if you're thinking about it, the business is ripe for disruption by a competitor. So even if you run a business the same way for 30 years, and just don't think that a competitor won't come in and do something differently that shocks and just basically shakes up the whole world. You got to do stuff differently. If you can't do something differently, hire somebody to do it differently. If you don't have enough time to think outside the box, hire somebody, or at least get some suggestions from friends, family, close associates. Hey, can I get some critique on this particular situation? They might have an out the box thinking that you may not have had from a different perspective. So to continue on, so the business is ripe for disruption, and the worker will probably get fired by any thinking boss. We should apply the same ruthlessness to our own habits. So basically, just do things. If you want to get somewhere, if you want to get to a goal, and you've been tirelessly working on that goal for the last, let's say, 5 years, and nothing seems to be happening, then it might be time to think outside the box. Stop doing things by habit and do things alternative. Like, for instance, today, I don't know if you know it, you guys have been following me. I haven't uploaded in a couple of days only because I've been thinking outside the box. I've been thinking about ways to do better better strategic ways to do videos at better times, switch up the lighting. You know, I just think outside the box all the time. Not that but I'm still continuing my goal of trying to shoot videos and giving you content. So my goal hasn't changed. It's just the way I go about it. It gets little critiques here and there along the way. So that's it for me, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, please. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get up as many subscribers as possible. If you think somebody would benefit from this conversation, comment below. Send it to somebody. John Cleveland Realtor, Instagram, YouTube, on Facebook as well, in the Tampa Bay area. I'll talk to you guys soon.